Every time the phone rings in a call center in New Brunswick, Canada, someone needs assistance. Calls come in around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Should the power go down at any time, a Caterpillar generator set will begin producing electricity within seconds, so callers will get the help they need without a single call being dropped. Genesis Power Solutions manages this installation and others like it, with help from Cat dealers in Canada, the United States, and Central America. Genesis President Sherry Coker explains.
For this specific customer, I have 21 Cat gen sets throughout North America, from Costa Rica all the way to Newfoundland. So I have CSA agreements with all the major dealers. Atlantic Cat, Tormont Cat, Milton Cat, Empire, Ring Power, Riggs, Western States, and Matra Cat down in Costa Rica. So I manage the maintenance agreements for those.
Because of the customer support agreements, each local dealer maintains the generator sets that are located in their territory and handles any service issues that come up. Parts and Service Sales Rep John Donahue manages the maintenance plan documented in the customer support agreement.
We perform 2 visits a year on each generator at each site, and the first visit basically entails a full inspection of the unit. We top up all the fluid levels, plus at the same time we complete a full 2-hour full load bank test on the units. The next visit that we do, we would change out the oil and all the filters and complete a thorough inspection and operational check. We take a scheduled oil sampling of the engine oil as well as the coolant. If there's any deficiencies found, we will attach a quote at the end of the checklist, and those reports are emailed to the customer.
There are many reasons why Genesis partners with Cat dealers through customer support agreements. A key factor is the size and scope of the dealer network. Important because Genesis is located in Florida and their customers are spread across the continent.
My Cat dealers are the only way I can be successful, because obviously I cannot be in Newfoundland by, in an hour or two to help diagnose and fix that generator problem, but my Cat dealer can.
Another benefit of a customer support agreement is quick and reliable service.
Caterpillar provides a high level of service to all their customers, I'm sure, but having them under contract with a CSA agreement, it's like instant. They already know what your generator characteristics are, what problems it might have. So instead of it being a long diagnostic process to troubleshoot a small problem, it's just typically just instantaneous and everything's back and running within an hour.
The dealer's highly skilled technicians and ability to provide world-class parts and support also reduce downtime.
The Cat techs are like the top shelf. They've had extensive training through Cat. They always have the proper equipment, they always have the proper manuals, and it's like we can get any part that day, or 99% of the parts by the next day. And between the technicians, their qualifications, and the availability of parts, your power reliability goes way up because your machines aren't down ever for a long time.
Cost control is another big benefit of customer support agreements.
Having a CSA with us, the customer knows their costs up front of yearly maintenance.
I get all my quotations, I put together my spreadsheets and my major proposals, and I'm set for the whole year. It helps me manage a project because there's no surprises. And having a network of Cat dealers is like dealing with one huge company instead of 20 small ones. They're consistent in quality, and the products, support, and service that you get is second to none.
It's a relationship the Genesis team appreciates every day. Why?
Because Cat makes my life easy.
For quality products, unmatched support, talented people, and a strong dealer network, Genesis Power Solutions counts on Cat.